Okay, attempt number 2.
I think I should move.
I need a better lighter.
Where'd the smoke bomb go?
I don't know. Oh, there it is. You see it?
No.
Where's the brick back there?
It's in that dude's yard.
Nice.
That motherfucker, it started smoking on the way down.
Do you see it over there in that dude's yard smoking? No. I don't see it.
Is that if I...
Oh, god damn it.
Alright, I'm going to attempt to throw this, okay?
What is it?
Mortal bomb. Is that the last one? Okay.
No. Dink! Get away from the house.
I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna chunk it like that.
One of us should light it for you then, so you can get ready. Alright. Got it. Oomph it into the air and wait for the fuse to come out right there.
Dink, dink! God damn it!
You're done, Dink. No more mortars for you.
That's not funny, Dink. You could have set the house on fire.